Warm greetings to all. Today I am here to introduce Dr. Purti Chaturvedi, who is basically from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. She is PhD in botany. Environment is purified due to Agnihotra performed. This has been her subject for the research. She is founder of Anumantram Kanyakulam. The girls residing here are from the very beautiful part of the country, northeast, known as Seven Sisters. She facilitates them with the good education, free fooding and lodging as well. She is assistant professor in Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar University, Agra. She is member of Selection Committee, Child Welfare and Juvenile Justice Board in Uttar Pradesh government. I request Dr. Purti Chaturvedi to enlighten all of us with the scientific impact of Agnihotra.
ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुवः. Homa is the scientific process. Ayam yajjo vishwasya bhuvanasya nabhihi. Atharved yajjovai shreshtatam karma shatpat brahman. Homa, Agnihotra process imbibes the very own cycle from beginning of the life on earth to its end. Creation had its own three eternal elements, which are namely God, soul, and nature. God is the supreme power, but the consciousness among soul and nature can only be ignited with the help of Agni. Where there is no Agni, there is no consciousness. If we dig deeper into the matter, we observe that nature and soul are made up of 5 elements, among which Agni is the principal element. Earth, sky, water, and air are the remaining 4 elements, but the only way to purify them is Agni. This is the only reason why in every community or religion, fire has its own importance among all the over elements. For example, in our Vedic culture, we perform Agnihotra, Homa, both at dusk and dawn. In Jewish culture, Christianity, Islamic culture, signs of using fire are clearly visible in the pious practices. Today, with the help of this discussion, we intend to present before you all the scientific benefits of performing Homa, Agnihotra, or Havan. If we try to go back to Homa's roots, then we find that this it is eternal. Example, it cannot be created nor be destroyed, and thankfully modern science has also agreed in the sense that fire is also form of energy. In the same fashion, the universe, creation, life, and destruction, all three aspects are nothing but integrated as part of Agni only. Hindu literature and religious texts like Vedas, Shiv Puran, Upanishad, Ramayana, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita all have noted evidence and instances of Agnihotra, Havan being performed by our ancestors. It is clearly recorded in Ramayana that the person's sacraments, education, research, as well as security, everything was managed with the source being Agnihotra or Homa. When Maharshi Vishwamitra was performing his important research and was also trying to accomplish greater limits in weaponry, then the way to achieve both was found out by Agnihotra or Homa. Only but the Rakshasas demons were continuously putting obstacles in his journey to attain infinity. To complete his research, as well as the attainment of knowledge, he pledged to Maharaja Dashrath, king of Ayodhya, to help him out to get to his goal. Lord Ram and Lakshman both helped in this voyage to attain knowledge, and the research was hence completed. All the rishis and munis, saints and monks during that time performed all the scientific experiments, and tool to carry out these experiments was none other than Agnihotra Homa only. To maintain the environment balance as well as physical, spiritual, and social welfare of the humans in all the community festivals, large scale Agnihotra Homa was performed so that everybody was part of this deed to clean and maintain nature and environment. Be it anything, agriculture, rain, business, or security. Homa was considered the main pillar for all the facilitations. Even national interest and its ray of hope for progress and prosperity were majorly affected by performing Homa and Homa practice. Now, the question that intrigues us and enlightened here on this planet are: what is Homa? What is its significance? Is there any scientific background to it? We are going to answer all these questions through this discussion. As described in Vedas, Homa is the scientific essence of purification, education, community, as well as discipline. We also know it as multiple names like Agnihotra, Havan, Yajna, etc. Through the Havan Kund, vessel in which we perform the Homa, we ignite the Agni, fire, and present our salutation to the god, Mother Earth, and everything that has been provided to us by nature and natural forces. Havan and Agnihotra are just subset of well-defined types of Homa practice like Brahma Yajna, which is our salutations to the Lord or God, Dev Yajna, purification of five elements, which are called Agnihotra, Pitri Yajna, which is to take care and look after our elders with whatever resource possible, Baliveshwa Deva Yajna, which is to take care of flora and fauna around us, and last but not the least, Atithi Yajna, which is to treat our guests with respect and honor. We are mainly going to focus on Dev Yajna only, as it is solely responsible for our education, energy, and security needs. Dev Yajna Agnihotra Homa find its first mention in the 14th chapter of Yajurveda. It has been and should be part of our daily activities. Let's now discuss the steps and prerequisites for the perform Agnihotra. Ideal time, dusk and dawn. Ideal place, open space are preferably selected to perform Agnihotra. If we are conducting the same in our rooms and some closed space, then it is recommended to open windows or doors. Vessel used, we call it Havan Kund, preferably made of copper or sand or mud, shaped pyramidically. Ingredients used, samidha, mango wood or any softwood can be used based on availability. If not available, then dried cow dung cakes can also be used. Samagri, it is mainly made up of four basic elements in proper quantity as per Ayurveda, which an effective cure for Ritu, Rog, and many other diseases. This samagri it should be Agnihotra. It mainly consists of aromatic elements like saffron, rose petals, nutmeg plants, sandal. Affirmative elements rice, barley, sesame seeds, Vignamunga plant, etc. Sweetening elements, jaggery, sugar, honey, dry dates, etc. Disinfectant elements like carom seeds, cloves, amla, giloe, neem leaves, etc. Cow ghee, mantras. We used mantras from Vedas. If not possible, we can also use Gayatri mantra. Now we'll talk about the scientific values of Agnihotra. It begins with the timings, preferably dusk and dawn. The reason behind this is that both are the timing of union or pact. We have most of our intellectual, social, personal differences at this time in hand representing the time of chaos, adding to it the young flourish at these temperatures and hence creating an environment of both chaos and flith. This results in significant change in the equilibrium of both environment and people. Therefore, controlling these activities by performing Homa, Agnihotra, or Havan currently is much necessary and of most need one more scientific fact behind this. Timing is presence of humidity and moisture content in the atmosphere. It helps in faster spread of Havan fumes and its resulting benefits to more and more people around us. It also supports our choice of performing the Homa open space or with windows and doors open. Open space also help keeping the fire uninterrupted, and in open space even plants absorb the carbon dioxide released by Homa, which leads to our main source of food. Havan Kund, it is mostly made up of copper or clay, both of which are good conductor of heat. Due to this, whatever herbs we put in the fire, it is completely burned and converted into vapor. Its shape, which is pyramidal, is also a sign of positive energy. The substance in samagri we put in the Agni fire goes through combustion and increase its benefits exponentially. Emitted vapors like formaldehyde, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, propanoic acids, along with purifying fumes, not only help us but also by cleansing the environment, decreasing the pollutants. Samidha, we use softwood, preferably mango wood, and cow dung cakes, and both these elements do not completely burn into coal. Cow dung cakes, after going through combustion, saves us from harmful radiations around us. Cow ghee, cow ghee acts as the catalyst in igniting the fire, and its main property is known to be mask for the poisons. During the pandemic, also many of the Ayurvedic medicines were prepared with a mixture of ghee. Ved mantras. Chanting these mantras are not just chanting but also powerful sound vibrations as we chant, which in turn makes our body open and calm to take in benefits from its cleansed environment, resulting in positive thoughts. This is our Agnihotra and the science behind it. Performing meditation and pranayam for 5 minutes post Havan adds to our gained benefits. This eternal tradition of Havan is completely scientific. That is why it was always the part of our routine in Vedic times. It takes only 10 minutes to perform daily Havan, but those 10 minutes can give us and our family to protection it needs for 24 hours. Let's clean ourselves, our environment, and our society together and pledge to bring back days of Vedas and advanced science together. Over to you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.